Alright, we're on site at Pinball this morning doing an install. Just taking a little bit of video of the before, the original window coverings that we'll be replacing today. So you've got these big thick curtains, see coming away a little at the top of the rods. They've deteriorated quite significantly. They're pure silk, so the UV's gotten to them unfortunately. And it's most evident on this Roman blind. Look at some of that. It's heartbreaking, this beautiful fabric. But it's giving our clients a bit of an opportunity to replace. And we're going to be replacing with what looks very glamorous sitting in its plastic wrap at the moment. Beautiful marble effect Roman blind and matching curtains. So we'll show you the results later. And there we are. Brand new Roman blind, brand new curtains. What a difference. And you might have noticed from our time lapse that there's actually two layers to this curtain. We've got a lining curtain behind so that our clients can easily draw that. And they've got nighttime privacy, they've got light control, and they've got thermal protection. But during the day, they get their beautiful bushland view.